You ain't got to do this, me. I'm telling you, I'm gonna have to watch man.
Not now, Ho. I gotta call you back.
See this right here? What's that noise?
Nothing, listen. Meet me at the spot in 15 minutes. Yeah, go.
And this is what happened to dumb niggas that don't pay their taxes. Every liquor store, every grocery store, and every motherfucking restaurant around here owes me. You bring me my money, I'll get your arm back. Shit, if you hurry, you might even be able to sew this motherfucker back on. Get back to work.